Mauget tree injection capsules are a precise way to deliver our custom formulations directly into a tree's vascular system. Whether you're injecting fertilizers or pesticides, this method ensures materials go exactly where they're needed with minimal exposure to the user and the surrounding environment. In this video, I'll walk you through the correct procedure for inserting the capsules safely and effectively. To complete the injection process, you'll need the following: a measuring tape, cordless drill, rubber mallet, gloves, and safety goggles. Each individual package includes the remainder of what you'll need to perform the injection: a label listing the active ingredient, directions, and safety information, 24 pre-filled capsules, feeder tubes, the correct size drill bit so there's no guesswork, and our insertion tool to make sure every capsule is securely seated into the tree. To determine the correct dosage, measure the tree at breast height, either by diameter or by circumference. Divide the circumference by 6 or the diameter by 2 to calculate the number of capsules required. For example, the tree in this video measures 11 feet or 132 inches in circumference, which means it will need approximately 22 capsules. Space the capsules evenly around the base of the tree, avoiding the valleys between the buttress roots. This usually places capsules about 4 to 6 inches apart. At each injection site, each drill hole should be about 1 to 1.5 inches deep. Drill at a 45-degree angle into the root zone. It's important to penetrate active, healthy xylem. Keep the drill spinning as you withdraw the bit and confirm you've hit the right tissue by checking for moist, white xylem. Next, insert the feeder tube's tapered end into the drilled hole, making sure the beveled tip is oriented upwards. Use the Mauget insertion tool to firmly seat the tube so it holds pressure during capsule application. Take care not to bottom out the tube against the end of the drilled hole, as it can restrict flow and reduce effectiveness. To activate the capsule, compress and pressurize it by placing both thumbs on the center of the lid and pushing down firmly and swiftly until you hear 1 or 2 clicks. This engages the 3-step VersaLock lid, snapping it securely into place. Next, align the capsule port over the feeder tube. To ensure a tight seal and maintain pressure, strike the heel of the capsule firmly with a rubber mallet. This punctures the internal membrane and allows the capsule to begin pushing its formulation into the tree. 1 or 2 solid taps are usually sufficient to achieve a snug fit and avoid losing pressure. The rate of capsule drainage will vary depending on several factors, including tree species, time of year, soil moisture, humidity, air temperature, and overall tree health. Before treating the entire tree, it's a good practice to install a single test capsule and time the drainage. This ensures the tree is actively taking up material and prevents wasting additional capsules if conditions aren't favorable. If you have questions or encounter challenges, don't hesitate to contact us by phone or email before you begin a full treatment. We'll help you troubleshoot and make sure you get the most out of your Mauget system. When all of the formulation has drained, collect the empty capsules in a heavy plastic bag. Remove the capsule and feeder tube simultaneously and dispose of them in accordance with your state and local regulations. Do not attempt to seal the drilled holes with any products. Trees are best left to compartmentalize and seal naturally. As always, thank you for choosing Mauget. We're proud to support you in keeping your trees healthy, and we're here to help if you have any questions.